What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Happy Saturday. Hope everybody's doing well, having a terrific weekend. Saturday. Corny. So we're going to go over Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently we're sitting at 81 cents. We're up 3.3 on the day. See, market cap 7.51 billion, 25 on 424 million. So we're currently in trades for Matic, Ethereum, Gala Games, XRP. December special, free access to my signal group. You'll find out at the end of the video how to gain access. So as you can see, we're crossing the bullish confirmation, which gives a higher probability to upside continuation towards some targets that we have here. That wave 1 high will be a target, and the wave 3 is all the way up at $1.47. So if we continue up, especially if we break that B wave high, that's even more confirmation of continuation to the upside. If we were to roll over, of course, anything can happen. I would still expect a bounce from this yellow box, but we did break this local high. So I think there's a good chance here that we could potentially see continuation back to the upside as we are breaking back above the neckline of that head and shoulders pattern. So if we look at our next chart here, so we have that nice little 1-2 pullback, holding the 55 EMA, bouncing, getting back above the 20 EMA on the daily. As you can see, that wave 3 target would take you all the way up to $1.49, which is the 1.618 extension. So we had our wave 1 up. Wave 2 pullback, we broke out of this descending broadening wedge. First impulse to the upside, healthy correction. Entered a trade, ready to ride up the wave 3. Taking a look at the price of Ethereum, we started to break this wedge. So I think we're going to go through an ending diagonal because we have 3 waves, which is ABC, typical of an ending diagonal. So you have ABC in a wave 1, you ABC pullback in a wave 2, and then you're going to ABC up in a wave 3, you'll ABC correction in a 4, ABC up in a 5. Ending diagonal could potentially look like a ascending broadening wedge or a rising wedge to fill out that wave 5 and potentially take us up to 2278, which would hit our TP floor for our ETH trade. And as you can see on the daily, we are back above that neckline, holding the 20 EMA. So I do think it's likely we're going to push a little bit higher before seeing a much larger pullback, in my opinion. And for Matic here, what I'm expecting is to push up, start to break this wave 1 high, and potentially push up in that wave 3. We'll have to see how that plays out. As I mentioned, we're in 4 trades right now. Signals group is completely free. It's a December special. All you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including in the US and Canada. And once you make your first deposit into your futures account of at least $100 or more, 20% bonus. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 free to trade with. $100, $20. So not only do you get free money to trade with, email me your UID after you make your first deposit, and I will give you completely free access to my daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits, forex signals, forex analysis, trade crypto, trade forex, completely for free. My exact trade setups. Just sign up to Bitfinex, make a deposit of $100 or more, grab that 20% bonus into your futures account, and then email me your UID after you've made your deposit, and I will give you completely free access to my VIP rooms. December special. All right, guys. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe if you're new. Much love. Take care. All right.